Soulmates do exist. It took me a while to believe that, but now I know it's true. The reality is, you don't get to choose who you fall in love with.
See your face